Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make a bootable USB for macOS Sonoma on a Windows computer. So if you don't have any access to Mac computer and you want to make a bootable USB for macOS, I'm going to show you how you can make from a Windows computer. So you're going to need three things to get started. First of all, a USB drive from 16 GB to 32 GB and macOS DMG file for Sonoma, and a software called Balena Icha. So I've got a USB drive of 16 GB and macOS DMG file. You can download it from the link provided on the description. And a software called Balena Icha. So we'll go to the search engine and type in Balena Icha, and go into this website, and if you scroll down, you can see Icha for Windows installer. You can click on download, or you can simply click on download here and follow the installation process. Once it's downloaded, go on to the website and scroll down and click on one of these two links. You will prompt it to the DMG file download page. Once the download is complete, just right click on it and run as administrator. I have opened it already, so run as administrator, click yes, and then click on flash from file. I have DMG file downloaded it already, so select it and click open. Select target, so select your USB drive, make sure you select the right USB and click OK and click flash. So the installation process has started. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your computer speed. I'm going to pause the video for now. Once the flashing is complete, I will show you in a minute. Thank you. So once the flashing and validation complete, the screen will appear flash completed. So your bootable USB drive is ready. You can unplug from the computer and start installation of your Mac OS. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.